Hello my friends, welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen and to the 301 episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen, hope all you're doing well. My friends, can you believe summer's about to come to an end and we're about to go into the fall? OMG, went by fast. So today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make an apple juice slush. And my friends, it is thebomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, full of apple goodness, and as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And this slush is 2 seasons in the cup, a great end of the summer treat with a taste of fall. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. So grab your cinnamon, your apple juice, and your ice sugar, because we're about to make some apple juice slush magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my blender, we're going to add in 1 cup of apple juice, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and for your ice, you can put in from 1 cup to 2 cups. I'm adding in 1 2/3 of a cup. And we're going to pulse it on high until it reaches a slush consistency. Alright my friends, there you have it, apple juice slush. See how simple and easy it was, and it only called for 3 ingredients. Look at that beautiful slush. And I garnish it with some cinnamon and an apple wedge on top. Alright, now time for the best part, the tasting. Alright, here we go, cheers. So refreshing, crisp, and I love the taste of cinnamon in it. This is marvelous. Please give this recipe a try. This is great on a hot summer day to bring in the fall early. This deserves another sip. Apple juice slush-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my Southern Kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Cheers!